All right, log into Seesaw. We're trying to demonstrate that logging into Seesaw with Google does not get you to the paid account, but could be false. Okay. And then you're just going to go teacher, and you're going to log in with Google. All right, it's going to take you to your class. Go to skills. You can see right here that this is not the paid version. Oh,
my stuff is loading. Okay.
Yep. So she is on the paid version when she logs in through Google.
I am or am not?
You are. But I don't know if that's because you're already an ambassador.
Yes.
Oh, no, she's not. Look. Try it free for 60 days. She's not. So that was a bit of a mess, but recording it. And here comes your Hangouts and everything else. Okay. So you can see that when we logged in through Google, she doesn't have the free version. It says try it free for 60 days. Okay? So we know, we have proof now that when you log in through Google that you don't have the paid version. Okay. Thanks, friend.